Generative AI refers to a category of artificial intelligence algorithms that generate new content or data that is similar to the data they were trained on. Unlike traditional AI models, which are designed to classify or predict based on input data, generative AI creates new data instances that can mimic the characteristics of the training data. 1. Content creation. Generative AI can produce new original content such as text, images, music, and even videos. 2. Unsupervised learning. Often employs unsupervised or semi-supervised learning techniques where the model learns the underlying patterns and structure of the data without explicit labels. 3. Creativity and novelty generates outputs that are novel yet similar to the training data, showcasing a form of artificial creativity. Generative AI models typically involve two main components. 1. The generative model, which is the model that creates new data, and 2. The discriminative model, in some frameworks like GANs, a model that evaluates and distinguishes between real and generated data. Popular generative AI techniques. 1. Generative adversarial networks or GANs architecture consist of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, which are trained simultaneously. Generator creates fake data resembling the training data. Discriminator evaluates the authenticity of the data, distinguishing between real and generated data. Training process. The generator improves by trying to fool the discriminator, while the discriminator gets better at spotting fake data, resulting in high-quality generated content. 2. Variational autoencoders, or VAs, architecture. Comprise an encoder that compresses the data into a latent space and a decoder that reconstructs the data from this latent space. Latent space. A lower dimensional space where similar data points are clustered together. Generative process. By sampling from the latent space, the decoder can generate new data instances. 3. Transformer models. Examples: GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, BERT, Bidirectional Encoder. Representations from transformers. Architecture, use self-attention mechanisms to understand the context and generate coherent text. Applications: text generation, translation, summarization, and more. Applications of generative AI are vast and varied, touching multiple aspects of our daily lives and industries. First, let's talk about text generation. Chatbots and virtual assistants use generative AI to produce human-like responses to user queries. In content creation, AI can write articles, stories, and even poetry. Next, image generation. In art and design, AI creates new artworks, graphics, and designs. Deepfakes, on the other hand, generate realistic images and videos of people who do not exist. Moving on to music and audio. Music composition involves generating new musical pieces in various genres. Voice synthesis creates realistic synthetic voices for virtual assistants and audiobooks. In game development, AI can automatically generate characters, landscapes, and levels in character and environment design. For NPC behavior, AI creates realistic behaviors and dialogues for non-player characters. In healthcare, drug discovery involves generating new molecular structures for potential drugs. Medical imaging uses AI to enhance and generate medical images for diagnosis and research. Lastly, data augmentation. Training data expansion generates synthetic data to augment training datasets, improving model performance and robustness. Example of generative AI GPT-3. GPT-3, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is one of the most advanced generative AI models developed by OpenAI. It's capable of generating human-like text based on the input it receives. How does GPT-3 work? First, it uses training data, being trained on a diverse dataset containing vast amounts of text from the internet. It employs a transformer architecture with attention mechanisms to understand and generate contextually relevant text. As for applications, GPT-3 can perform tasks such as writing essays, answering questions, translating languages, and even coding. Let's consider an example use case: text completion. Given a prompt, GPT-3 can generate a coherent and contextually appropriate continuation of the text. For example, with the input prompt, "Once upon a time in a faraway land, there lived a dragon." GPT-3 might generate, "The dragon was known for its wisdom and kindness. Every year the villagers would come to seek its advice on various matters." Challenges and considerations in generative AI are crucial to address. First, quality control. Ensuring the generated content is accurate, appropriate, and free from biases present in the training data is essential. Next, ethical concerns. We need to address issues such as the creation of deepfakes, misinformation, and content misuse. Computational resources are another challenge. Generative models, especially large ones like GPT-3, require significant computational power and resources to train and deploy. Lastly, interpretability. Understanding and explaining the behavior and decisions of generative models can be challenging. Generative AI represents a significant advancement in artificial intelligence, enabling machines to create new and original content that mimics human creativity. Through techniques like GANs, VAEs, and transformers, generative AI is transforming various fields by automating content creation, enhancing data augmentation, and providing innovative solutions across industries. Despite the challenges, the potential applications of generative AI continue to expand, promising a future where AI-generated content becomes increasingly integrated into everyday life. For any more explanations of AI terminology, hop over to Ai-Epicentre.com.